This is Nicole Pearl of thebeautygirl.com. Thanks for coming in, Nicole.
Thank you for having me.
I used to love back-to-school shopping when the kids are little. It's always fun. But, you know, clothes, when you're not wearing uniforms, they always want to be fashionable. So you're here to tell us what's trending this year, right?
Yes, and it can be overwhelming. So you want to make it simple, affordable, but yes, on trend. So I have great looks for the entire family.
Okay, I love it. We're starting out with Mom. Let's take a look at our model. What is she wearing?
Yeah, so this is Yolanda, and she is really channeling the menswear-inspired trend.
I like that.
She's got this Worthington blazer. It's a classic fit. It's got a pink check detail that gives it a feminine edge. This white crisp tank top from Worthington is also a great way to really have a great essential in your wardrobe. I like to tuck it in to keep it very neat. These A&A skinny jeans are great. They're flattering for so many shapes. They've got a bit of stretch, which is really comfortable.
And the shoes I love.
The shoes are from Liz Claiborne, and the block heel is key for Mom. When you're on your feet all day long, you want to be comfortable. And then we finished it with this great Liz Claiborne bag. It's really a fun pop of white, brings it all together. A perfect example that you can wear white after Labor Day.
Absolutely. I love that. Okay. And these are all from different locations, right?
All different brands. You actually can find the whole look at JCPenney because they've got so many styles at affordable prices. Her whole look was $164, which is insane.
Really good.
It's such a good price.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, our next model.
So next we have Sophia, and she's channeling this classic preppy girl, but it's got a fun twist on the trend. And the heart of her look is this Arizona A-line plaid skirt with the button details.
It's cute.
This skirt is great because you can dress it up or down. For school, obviously, you dress it down with these Van Skate lace-up shoes, which are really cool and comfortable. And I also think this time of year, this is when you want to replenish your staples. So this Arizona black baby tee is great. It's a crisp, bold black color, so you want to look like you're fresh for school. And then we paired it with this really fun bold elements Madison crossbody. It's got the silver detailing, and it's big enough to fit a cell phone, her essentials, when she wants to kind of change up her look. So this whole look is about $110.
Excellent, excellent. I noticed that her skirt kind of matches Mom's jacket. So is plaid a thing that we're going to be seeing more of in the fall?
Plaid is a big trend pattern, for sure.
Very nice. Okay, let's look at our next model, and we're talking about a young man heading to school for the first day, and look how adorable he is.
This is Amadeus, looking sharp, and he's channeling that sporty game day style. And it really is all about this awesome Arizona hoodie. It's got a pullover with a hoodie detail. There's
show us.
See the color block details too. So there's so many fun ways. This is going to take him throughout the entire season. It's lightweight and comfortable. These Arizona knit joggers are a must. I have my sons live in these because he can wear these in the classroom, but also playground, sports, extracurricular activities. They're just a perfect pant.
Oh, I love it. He's working it.
Yeah, and he's got the Nike sneakers. A neutral sneaker is great, especially if you're only going to have one pair. And then this Fuel Dynamo backpack is everything. My boys went crazy when they saw the camo print with the neon pop of color. Why don't we turn around and show us your backpack
again? Look at that. Do you like that?
So much stuff.
Yeah, look at him. How can you look at the backpack and still see yourself on camera? Do that one more time. Turn around. Here we go. He figured it out.
And this whole look is only $86.
Oh, very nice.
So you really can be on trend and affordable.
Very nice. Thank you so much. All of these are excellent looks for mom, son, and daughter. Back to school special. Thank you so much. And what's the website people should go to?
You can check out thebeautygirl.com for more info.
Great. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Coming up, we finally know when we're